In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate Copilot into Windows 10 or 11 File Explorer so you can use powerful AI tools right from your right-click menu. We'll walk through how to use these options with both documents and images, and by the end, you'll be able to quickly summarize files or enhance images without even opening them. First, let's start in File Explorer. Go ahead and open File Explorer the way you normally do, either from the taskbar, the Start menu, or by using the keyboard shortcut if you prefer. Once File Explorer is open, navigate to any file you want to work with. This can be a PDF, a Word document, or an image file such as a JPEG or PNG. The AI options we're going to use are available directly on these kinds of files. After you've found the file you want, move your mouse over it and right-click. This opens the familiar context menu with options like Open, Rename, and Properties. In this menu, look for the option labeled AI Actions. This is where Copilot-style features are integrated into File Explorer. Go ahead and hover over or click AI Actions to expand the available tools. Now, let's focus on documents first, such as PDFs and Word files. With a document selected and the AI Actions menu open, choose Summarize. When you select this, Windows will analyze the content of the file and generate a quick overview for you. You'll see the result appear in a side panel, usually on the right-hand side of your screen. This lets you get the main points of a document without opening it in a separate app. It's especially useful for long reports, articles, or manuals when you just want the key ideas. The summary is typically presented in a clear, concise format so you can quickly decide whether you need to read the full document. Next, let's look at what you can do with images. Again, right-click your image file in File Explorer and choose AI Actions. Here you'll see options such as Bing Visual Search and Remove Background. If you select Bing Visual Search, Windows will use online visual recognition to identify objects, landmarks, products, or other details in your image. This can help you find similar images, learn more about what's in the picture, or track down related information on the web. If you choose Remove Background, Windows will use its built-in AI engine to detect the subject of the image and remove the background around it. This is useful when you want a clean cutout for presentations, social media, or design projects. After processing, you can usually save the new image or copy it into another app. That's all you need to start using Copilot-style AI tools directly in File Explorer on Windows 10 or 11. By right-clicking your files and using AI actions, you can quickly summarize documents and enhance images without leaving the folder you're in.